So good morning everyone. Today's vlog I would like to begin from this biscuit. I have this biscuit. By the way, I don't love to eat biscuit, but if I have milk or tea, then I would like it, right? So first I'm gonna dip it into this tea and then I'm gonna have it. By the way, do you guys love to eat biscuit? Please let me know in the comment below. By the way guys, in today's video what I'm going to show you or what kind of English sentences am I going to teach you, do you guys know? Actually this video is going to be super crucial is because today we are going to spread some chemical fertilizer in our corn crop. So while giving our chemical fertilizer in our crop and while giving I will teach you a lots of English sentences. So that is why I think you should watch this video until the very end because there are lots of different and complicated sentences even I'm gonna teach you, right? So that is why if you also want to express your thoughts, your sentences while doing work in your crop, that is why guys this video is going to be super casual and I hope you are gonna love this video so much. And by the way, as you can see, just after mixing this chemical fertilizer, here my dad has filled into these sacks. You can see my dad is taking all of these sacks of chemical to our crop. And now my sister is feeding milk to this goat because if you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know this little goat's mom got passed away a few days back, right? So that is why for some days my sister made her mom. So now I just lift two of this bucket on my shoulder and head to my crop. And now we became both and going to our crop to give fertilizer in our crop. Like this. Like this. And this is a girl. I don't know where they are going. Do you guys want to see the view of my village? So now as you can see, there are lots of pets here and there is a bicycle. And here there are some Maida. Okay guys, so finally I have come to the place where I had to come. So now as you can see the place where we are gonna work. Hey, where have you lost? Come. So now I just have to cross this fence and we have made this fence ensure to not get any pets to my crop. She is crossing the fence underneath net, right? So now as you can see finally we are in our crop. And the guy is going to work by riding a cycle. And first I have to untie this sack. Then we will pour this chemical fertilizer into our buckets. Then we will give in each plants one by one, right? And also some of the students are going to the school. So now my sister is filling his bucket with fertilizer. This is called the chemical fertilizer. By the way, I have already given natural fertilizer that is called manure. You can see little by little, yeah, in between. As you can see, we have to give or we have to finish by giving this fertilizer such as, right? Now as you can see, we have to give in each plants one by one a little amount of fertilizer, right? So now as you can see the process of giving, and the same process right now I also have to do. So now as you can see again the process of giving fertilizer in our corn crop, as you can see. And tomorrow I will then have to come here to cover this fertilizer, right? You can see. And also there are some of the people riding to work. Now as you can see. Okay guys, so from here right now I would like to stop recording for a while because right now I have to work, and while recording it is not possible to work, right? So that is why I would like to stop recording. My brother. Okay, so now it's my turn to fill this bucket with fertilizer. Then I'm gonna give, right, a little by little in each plant. Okay guys, so before we start working here, it is necessary to roll up my sleeves. So now as you can see, and also now it's time to roll up my this hand, right? Yes, and also I take off my slippers here because I might slip while walking, right? So that is why it's good to take off my slips here before starting work, right? And now my dad has come to see us how we are working here, right? So now we just finished this little area of this field, right? And it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to finish, right? And now we move to the next one. Now as you can see where my sister is giving fertilizer, right? And the first one, second one, and the third one, and there is another one, and that is there, right? Yes, there are 3 fields where we have to give where we have to finish to give fertilizer today within 2 hours. Yes, because I have limited time to work here because I have to go to where I work these days. So I just lift this bucket of chemical fertilizer and start giving from here. Okay guys, so right now we have come to the final crop or final field. So now as you can see, this is the field. Actually this is the bed where pets have eaten. So now as you can see the eaten tiny plants, right? Now as you can see, so some of the someone gods has eaten. So that is, as you can see, there are lots of eaten plants here, right? But this bed of this crop is pretty good. Okay guys, so let us finish because as I told you guys, I have only limited time to work here, right? Yes. झुके दे. So right now we are almost finished to work here, and right now here I am able to see a ripe pineapple. So that is why I'm gonna stole an apple. But before we go to the crop, it is necessary to look for people, otherwise they are gonna consider me as a thief, right? Okay. Oh my god, this entire bat has ripe, right? As you can see the red one. Oh my god, and their butterfly is eating. Just I'm gonna break this pineapple. Okay guys, actually since we have not eat any apple for a long time, so that is why today we are feeling to eat an apple, right? So that is why I just stole up this pineapple, and just after going home I'm gonna have it. And by the way, let's see if I have time or not, because I have to go to the place where I work these days. So that is why I'm not sure will I be able to show you the process of eating this pineapple or not. Okay, so just we finished. Okay guys, so I just leave this sack of fertilizer and head home. Again I am crossing this fence, and now my dad is covering fertilizer here in the crop using this hoe, right? I am not sure you are able to see or not the hoe. And here just in front of me there are 2 people and they are making fence. Right now we have come to my broken house. So right now I have come to the road and looking for a Toto. Okay guys, so finally the Toto is coming from this side. I am going to Thakurgarh by this Toto. Look. Okay guys, so finally come to the place where I had to come and give the rent to the Toto driver. And I'm gonna stop recording from here. Okay guys, I hope you learned something new. If yes, please give it a like, and I'm gonna stop recording from here.